Do you know about a lot of Sámis like marrying Ojibwe or indigenous?
I think that the Sami people and the Finnish people did that often, and there were Finnish filmmakers that came to this country to make a film about Finns who married Indians. In fact, also, this was almost more than 30 years ago. Jani Karo, who was a Finnish journalist, he came and interviewed my husband and I, and some people from Michigan and some people from Ontario, and he wrote articles about it. And then later there was a book written, and then from the book they made a film.
Do you remember the name of the book or the film?
Fintianet.
Oh, it was named
Yeah,
Fintianet.
Fintianet. And my cousin from Finland calls me, he says, "Now you are more famous than Antti." My cousin Antti was prime minister for a while.
Oh, really?
And he was a Finnish national hero because he was an Olympic athlete in 1976. So